Right. It's a question of CAT 2020 slot 3. Okay. It says that m and n are positive integers if x squared plus mx plus 2n is equal to 0, and the other one is x squared plus 2nx plus 0 have real roots. Now, what's the condition for real roots? B square has to be what, greater than or equal to 4ac. So let's apply it here. What do we get here? B means m square has to be greater than 4 into 1 into c. What's the value of c here? It's 2n. So effectively, what do you get? M square is greater than or equal to 8n. Yes, sir. How many values are going to satisfy? And look at this, m and n be positive integers. Now this has to be what, either equal to 18 or less than that. What if I put n equal to 1? If n equal to 1, what do we get? M will be equal to either 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 and so on. These are the possible values. What if I put n equal to 2 here? When you put n equal to 2, this becomes 16. So m square has to be greater than or equal to 16. In that case, m has to be what? Minimum 4. More than 4 or 4. So 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. These will satisfy. If n is equal to 3, n is equal to 3, you get 24 here. Now, m will become how much? It will start from 5 onwards and so on. This is the first case. Let's look at the other one. X square plus 2nx plus m have real roots. So in that case, again, I can say b square should be greater than or equal to 4ac. Now, what do we get b here? It's 2n. So 2n square will give you 4n square. Greater than or equal to 4ac means 4 into 1 into m. So effectively, what do we get here? b was 2n, 2n square, 4n square. 4n square has to be greater than or equal to 4m. Or n square is greater than or equal to what? M. How many possible values are there? Since both of them are positive, what I can do, if m is equal to 1, n becomes how much? It's either 1 or more than that. All these values will satisfy. What if I say m is equal to 2? When you put m equal to 2, this part will become 2. So n has to be what? Either 2 or 3 or 4 and so on. What if I put m equal to 3? Square of which number is going to greater than 3? I'll say n is equal to again 2, 3, 4 and so on. Yes or no? What if I put m equal to 4? What do you get here? N will be equal to either 2 or 3 or 4. All these values will satisfy me. Am I right or no? Now, what you're looking for here, the values of m and n, which are going to satisfy both the conditions here. And that to what smallest possible value of m and n. When you put m equal to 3, n must be equal to 1. M equal to 3, n must be 1. It will not satisfy m. When you put n equal to 1, m should be equal to 1. It will not satisfy. What about this one? When you put n equal to 2, m can be equal to 4. Okay, m is 4, n is 2. Yes, it is going to satisfy. Then, will it satisfy when you put m equal to 3 and n equal to 2? M3, N2, M3, N2. No. So what I can see here, when you put n equal to 2 and m equal to 4, it will satisfy both the conditions here. Am I right or not? And that too, what they should be as small as possible. So the minimum value of m plus n becomes how much? 6. So the correct answer becomes D, fourth option.